Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to fit a second degree parabola using Excel. We know that the normal equations for fitting this parabola y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c are as follows, that is equation 1, 2 and 3. The relevant table to solve these three equations is obtained here. And by substituting the values obtained through the table in equation 1, 2 and 3, we get equation 4, 5 and 6. And by solving these three equations, we get C is equals to 9.4, B is equals to 0.485, A is equals to 0.285. Hence the equation of parabola is y is equals to 0.285x square plus 0.485x plus 9.4. Now let us see how to do it using scilab. Let us put the values of x and y. Now let us tabulate the values. N is equals to length of x, where n is 5. Sx is equals to sum of x, where it is 15. Sy is sum of y, which is 70. Sx2 is sum of x square, which is 55. Sx3 is equals to sum of x cube, which is 225. Sx4 is equals to sum of x power 4, which is 979. Sxy is sum of x square y, Now let us put these values in the matrix form of the linear equations. Where A is equals to Sx2, Sx, n. In the second row Sx3, Sx2, Sx. In the third row Sx4, Sx3, Sx2. Hence A matrix is obtained. Now let us put the values of B, where B is Sy, Sxy, Sx square y. Z is equals to A by B. Therefore the unknown values A, B and C are obtained. Now let us declare those values, where A is equals to Z1, B is equals to Z2 and C is equals to Z3. Now let us put those in the equation form. Y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Now let us plot it. Plot x comma y. Hence the parabola is obtained.